In VideoCom Cloud, Workspace owners can efficiently manage their teams. They can invite users, differentiate between paid and free users, and assign roles. The system allows for controlling access and permissions, ensuring each user has appropriate access based on their role or subscription. These administrative tools help streamline collaboration and effectively manage Workspace resources.
Let's get started by inviting new members to our Workspace. Once invited, they'll gain instant access to all files in the team's collections. To invite a user, simply follow these steps. Look towards the upper part of your VideoCom Cloud screen where the name of your workspace is displayed. Click on Invite Members. This action will prompt you to invite new users via email. Enter the email addresses of those you wish to invite, separating each email with a space, comma, tab, or enter key. Decide whether you want the new member to have a free account, limited to 25 files and 1 GB of storage, or a paid account, pro accounts with no restrictions. Alternatively, you could upload a CSV file with the email addresses if you're planning to add multiple members at once. As a final option, you can generate an invitation link and send it out. Anyone who signs up using this link will automatically join your workspace. Let's make the most out of VideoCom Cloud by working together. In the first tab of VideoCom Cloud Settings, you'll see a list of all the members in the workspace. You can search for members, invite new ones, or edit existing member details, including their role, plan, and status. Let's go over the distinct roles in VideoCom Cloud. Workspace Owner. That's you. As the owner, you have access to all features and have full administrative rights. Workspace Admin. This is a user granted rights to administrate the workspace. Workspace Member. This is a regular user without any administrative privileges. Remember, your role is specific to each workspace. While you are the owner of your workspace, you can also be a part of other workspaces as either an admin or a regular member. Next, let's discuss the two plans offered by VideoCom Cloud. Basic and Pro. The basic plan is free and includes features such as 1 GB media storage, 25 files per user, cloud recording, and basic media insights. On the other hand, the Pro plan includes unlimited storage, local recording, advanced media insights, a customized share page, and video editing features. Again, the plan you're on applies to each workspace individually. You might be on a paid plan in one workspace and on the free tier in another. Lastly, your status, which is either active or removed, is determined by the workspace owner or an admin and is also specific to each workspace. This feature allows for easy management of user access and participation. We will now explore the Workspace Settings tab. Here, you can customize various aspects of your workspace, including its name and logo. Additionally, you can enable regular members to invite new members and restrict new members to specific email domains. You can also allow people to find and access this workspace if they log in with an email from approved domains. You can approve a domain by inviting a user from the domain and assigning an admin role to this user. Approved domains will be listed in this tab. If desired, you can also give basic plan members the option to upgrade themselves to a Pro plan. Keep in mind that this requires a Pro plan to be set up for the workspace beforehand. Lastly, you can configure global settings for all media in the workspace, such as allowing comments, enabling media file downloads, and displaying media view counts. You can decide whether these settings can be modified by individual users or remain fixed across the workspace. This level of control helps maintain consistency and adherence to your desired policies.
In this module, you've learned how to effectively manage your workspace in VideoCom Cloud. We've walked through the process of inviting and managing users, differentiating between free and paid users, assigning roles, and controlling access and permissions. Furthermore, we've delved into the workspace settings, including customization option for your workspace name, logo, media settings, and user permissions. You've discovered how to set rules for inviting new members, how to restrict membership based on email domains, and how to allow members to upgrade their plans. By now, you should be able to use VideoCom Cloud to manage and make changes to your workspace, helping your team work better and more efficiently.